Does the US really have a good record in dealing with a similar situation? Let us turn the clock back to 2009, when the H1N1 flu from the US spread to 214 regions and countries. The U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention estimates that 60.8 million Americans contracted the H1N1 virus. Well, at least they declared it a public health emergency. However, the U.S. government clearly failed to take enough measures to control it. The U.S. seems to have learned nothing from the epidemic a decade ago. The influenza virus has infected 19 million Americans and killed at least 10,000 people this season alone. Natural disasters, such as
Hurricane Katrina, which many say was a shocking example of how not to prepare for, respond to, and recover from a storm of that magnitude.
As Hurricane Katrina also demonstrated a classic failure or incapacity of the Uncle Sam's emergency response system. China has taken massive efforts to keep the coronavirus under control. Wuhan, a city with a population of over 10 million and where the coronavirus was initially discovered, is locked down. All citizens in China have been advised to wear masks and many have been encouraged to stay home to prevent the further spread of coronavirus. The country is mobilizing medical teams nationwide to aid Wuhan and control the epidemic. Thousands of military medical professionals were also deployed to the virus-stricken areas. Till now, China has contained more than 99% of the confirmed cases within its borders, which means less than 1% of the confirmed cases worldwide are outside China.
China took action massively at the epicenter, at the source of the outbreak. This is heroic. The actions of China is making us safer.
Facts and numbers have clearly displayed the truth. China's speed, scale, and efficiency all demonstrate the strength of its system. US politicians should stop pointing fingers at others, especially if the US government is unable to act in times of public emergency. At the very least, they can shut their mouth if they cannot provide actual help to the world.